I went from making $2,000 a month to over $15,000 thanks to artificial intelligence. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. Hey friend, welcome back. Today, I wanna share with you my journey as a content creator turned CEO of a multi-six-figure business and the impact that artificial intelligence had in helping me scale as a one-person business, especially when things got really, really hard. But first, let me give you some context and I'll take you back to the beginning. I started my online business in 2021, and within a year between brand deals and my own digital products, my business generated over $100,000. I was completely mind blown at how fast I had been able to achieve this success. The problem was sustaining it. In 2023, everything changed, and my income went down to an average of $2,000 per month. As a matter of fact, in January 2023, my business only generated $1,500, but my expenses were over $4,000. And despite trying every single strategy in the books, I could not seem to get out of this plateau, and it was really frustrating. I also had to let go of a small team that I was building because, as I just said, my expenses were super high and my income was not that great. At that point, I was feeling frustrated, burned out, and I faced two options: either stepping back and taking on freelance projects again, or find a solution. But honestly, I knew there had to be a way around it. I knew I had to save my business. That's when I turned to AI, and it was a complete game changer. While everyone in my industry was using AI to generate captions or content ideas, I committed myself to become an expert at AI. I enrolled into courses, I joined workshops, I bought ebooks, I signed up to newsletters, I was reading blogs. And thanks to this determination, I was able to boost my efficiency as a one-person business, and I transformed my business model. I created new products, launched new offers multiple times, expanded my online presence to new channels. I even started a new Instagram account where I started posting multiple times per day, all without sacrificing time or quality. Now, I've built a business model that allows me to do daily sales, travel the world, work only 5 to 6 hours a day, take random days off, and just live the lifestyle that I desire, all powered by artificial intelligence. So now let's talk about the old business model. In 2023, I had two main offers. I had one $47 per month membership and a $197 mini course. That's everything that I had in my offer suite, which was not that much. And that's why I wasn't able to hit those high revenue months. At that time, I decided to go with a membership because it seemed that everyone was doing that. It was like the new thing. And I also wanted recurring income. If you've been a content creator for a while, you know that one of our biggest struggles is to maintain consistent income, especially when your main source of income is brand deals. Brand deals come and go. And even if you have your own digital products, making sales is something that not everyone has learned how to master properly yet. I really thought that having a low entry point like a $47 per month membership would attract a lot of people and it would be a no-brainer. But I was wrong. Even if it was a great product, I offered tons of resources, support, and I was dedicating a lot of hours every single week to this membership. It was really hard to get people in. I realized that people weren't committed to paying something on a monthly basis, especially if they were not going to see results immediately. So that's when I knew that I needed a different approach. A lower entry point to my world with low ticket digital products that were no-brainers but could generate me consistent revenue. That's when I made the shift and I started building a cohesive offer suite by using AI. Because I also knew that just offering low ticket digital products would not be enough to hit those consistent 5-figure months. I needed a range of offers from low to mid to high ticket that would allow me to create a more sustainable, consistent income stream. But the challenge here was how to create an ecosystem of offers without working harder. So I had the idea of using ChatGPT and everything I had learned about AI to ideate an offer suite that would connect all my products, creating a logical customer journey. This way, anyone buying any of my products would be naturally inclined to buy the next one, kind of like a ladder of products. That's when I came up with the AI-powered offer suite. So at the beginning of 2024, I launched the AI Creator Academy. This is my high-ticket coaching program that includes one-on-one coaching, group coaching, and self-paced courses and resources. This allowed me to work closely with my students while also providing them with the tools to learn at their own pace. But what made this offer truly powerful was the suite of resources and mini courses like the AI-powered guide for Instagram content mastery, the IG AI Accelerator, the Launch AI Accelerator, included inside the Academy. So now anyone in my audience could buy these different products individually, which meant I could bring more people into my world consistently, making sure that I was making consistent sales. And because each product was strategically connected, it was more likely that customers would buy into the next one. So with ChatGPT's help, I built all these funnels that offered incentives for new students to move on to the next level. And this is where I started seeing real potential. Many of my new students were upgrading to the next offer, which meant that I was increasing the customer lifetime value without necessarily having to work more. The result of this was consistent 10K to 15K months. And this system ensured that I was making consistent daily sales from my low, mid, and high ticket programs. The low ticket sales happen almost daily, and many of my customers are now upgrading to the higher ticket offers. Now I can put most of my efforts into getting new high ticket clients, and that's exactly how I've been able to scale my revenue to consistent $10,000 and $15,000 months, and now we're on the verge of scaling on to the next level, which would be $20,000 to $50,000 months. And this evolution in my business would not have been possible without the help of AI tools like ChatGPT and the ability to create a cohesive offer suite with products that complement each other. Now, before going, I want to offer you an exclusive invitation. Doors to the AI Creator Academy are officially open. So if you're ready to build and scale an offer suite that generates you consistent $5,000 to $10,000 a month, this program is just what you need. But I'm only taking a handful of students, so if you believe that's you, I'm sharing a link in the description of this video so that you can enroll today. Inside of the AI Creator Academy, we're gonna implement my signature framework, the COCL, which stands for Clarity, Offer, Content, and Launch. We're gonna dive deep into your brand and get complete clarity on your messaging, your values, your niche, your target audience. Then we're gonna create a cohesive offer suite with low, mid, and high ticket digital products using the brand foundations we've built. Then we're gonna create a content strategy that helps you attract aligned customers, nurture them, and then convert them into any of your different offers. And then we'll work on launching your new offer suite using Instagram so that you can get new clients on a consistent basis. And of course, increase your revenue. So don't miss this opportunity to transform your business with the power of AI and my support. Once again, there's a link in the description of this video. You can go enroll right now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, send me an email, book a call with me. I wanna make sure that this program is the right fit for you and that it can help you create the impact that you've always wanted. Now, if you made it up till here, thanks for staying as always. If you learned something new, if you enjoyed hearing my story, don't forget to give those thumbs up. Tell me in the comments, what was your biggest takeaway about my story? Have you experienced something similar in your business? Are you currently using AI in your business? Let's have a conversation. And don't forget to share this video with a friend that might be struggling with his or her business right now, needs some encouragement, and also to open the possibilities to them of using AI to transform their business. With this being said, thank you so much. I'll see you next week with more videos on social media monetization and AI. See ya.